Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We have a Esco dishwasher which has a fault F54 problem, and we are going to diagnose it today and find out what is the problem for the customer. So as you can see, there is a overflowing water F54, which means the drain pump will constantly running through, and then you need to turn off the dishwasher from the circuit board. To find out what is the problem, we are going to take the front cover off to see if there is a leak, to see the leak, or it's just a PCB problem, because sometimes there won't be no water inside the dishwasher and it was showing overfilling fault. So to find out overfilling fault, we need to check where the water is leaking on the base of the dishwasher. So for that, you just need to take the screws out, which we have shown in the video, and there must be like 7 screws in front. It's better to take out the dishwasher first to take this out, but we are trying our luck so that we can minimize the job, and then if we find the leak from here, then we don't have to do a lot of work. So we are trying our luck to see from the front. We always do that as a technician. So to take the cover out is a little bit hard, so you just need to find out watch our videos. So as you can see, there is a pool of water under the base of the dishwasher, so we now need to take the dishwasher out from the cabinet. So to take out from the cabinet, you just need to take out this side screws and pull out the dishwasher. While pulling out the dishwasher, you need to be very careful, because it might have tangle, and then if you pull far enough, and that will break the pipes, drain hose, or anything like that. So now we are taking out the back cover of the dishwasher so that we can empty out the water from the dishwasher. So as you can see, the lot of water is coming out from the dishwasher while we tilt the dishwasher. This is the water from the base, which was causing a F54 problem. So now we have to run the dishwasher to find out where the water is coming from. So to do that, we have to constantly checking from the back or front to find out if there is any leakage. So mostly you can find if you watch it carefully, you can find some leaks from any of the component of the dishwasher, but for this dishwasher there was no leak. Yes, you might be surprised, but there was no leak for this dishwasher, because sometimes when you stack the dishes not a proper way, just randomly, and then the spray arm splashes the water to the dishes, and which will be sending more water to the door shield, and then if it doesn't resist much water, then it slowly overflow the water to the base. Since there is a overflow mechanisms which are connected from the which are behind the seal of the dishwasher, and the pipe is going to the base of the dishwasher. So for this customer, there was no any leak, it was just overflow from the door. So this might happens when you put the a dishwasher randomly, stack up the dishwasher in an appropriate way. So if you don't find it, you can just use the dishwasher normally, and if the problem comes back within a month or something like that, then there's obviously a leaking problem which you are missing. So to put it back, you just need to do the same thing in a reverse way. So put the front cover and the back cover, and put those screws where it was before you taking out of the dishwasher. And if you have also need to mention that when you put the dishwasher in the cabinet, make sure the drain hose and the inlet hose has not been kinked or blocked, otherwise you will get a F11, F10 or F12 problem. So make sure if those problems comes out after you taking out the dishwasher and putting it back to the cabinet, then obviously you are doing something wrong. And this is also the very I mean, one thing that most people will find difficult to put the kick plate on the dishwasher. So as you know, like we need to take the top side up and then little bit tilt and then try to push out. If the cover is not coming out, then the kick plate is going okay. Thank you for watching us, and please do subscribe us. Also try to